In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change your Twitter username. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Twitter app and then tap at your profile picture at the top left. There, just underneath your profile picture, you can find your Twitter name and username, and I'm going to show you how you can change both of them. So in order to change your Twitter name, you should go to your profile, then edit profile, and then where it says name, tap at that text field, and then you will be able to change your Twitter name. Just put in here new name, and then once you're done with that, hit add save. If you want to change your username, you need to go to the settings. So let's go back, then hit at your profile picture again, then settings and support, settings and privacy, and then your account. You will be taken to this page where you can easily find account information, and that's where you can find username. You can just tap on it to be able to change it. It will comes up with that form where you can check your current username, and that's where you can set new one. Just enter your new username right here in that text field, and then just keep in mind that your new username has to be unique. And once you're done with that, don't forget to hit add done. That's it. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and I see you in the next one.